in ascending order. Arrange in ascending order, the first case is when the denominators are same. It means these fractions are like fraction, because those fractions which are having the same denominator are called like fractions. So in the case of like fractions, it means where the denominators are equal, so we will see the numerators and we will arrange the numerators in ascending order. So the numerators are 11, 7 and 9. So we will arrange these numerators in ascending order. So what will be the ascending order? 7, 9 and 11. And what is the fraction? 7 by 12, 9 by 12 and 11 by 12. So this is the ascending order in the case of like fraction. If the denominators are same, so we will arrange the numerators in ascending order. So this is the answer of this question. But if the denominators are different, so how we will find out the ascending order? So let's discuss the case when the denominators are also different. Now as you can see that denominators are also different. So in this case we will apply the method of LCM. So first we will take the LCM of 10, 5 and 15. It means we will take the LCM of denominators. So in the method of LCM we will start from 2. 2 5s are 10 and no other number will be divided by 2. Now next number is 3. 5 is not divided by 3, 5 is not divided by 3, but 3 5s are 15. Now 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5 and 5 ones are 5. So LCM of 10, 5 and 15 will be 2 multiply 3 multiply by 5, 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30. So the LCM is 30. Now we will change these denominators equal to 30 in each fraction. So we have to change it into the LCM, which is 30. So we will change it into 30, and for this we will multiply by 10 3s are 30. So we will multiply 3, and we as know that if we are multiplying any number in denominator, so we will multiply the same number in the numerator. So 9 3s are 27 upon 30. Now the next fraction is 3 by 5. Again we will convert the denominator into LCM. LCM is 30 and we have 5. So 5 6 are 30. So we are multiplying by 6 in numerator and denominator both. So 3 6 are 18 and 5 6 are 30. Now the next is 7 by 50. Now 15, and we have to convert it into 30. So we will multiply by 2 because 15 2s are 30. So 7 2s are 14 and 15 2s are 30. So these fractions are converted into like fractions. 9 by 10 is converted into 27 by 30. 3 by 5 is converted into 18 by 30. And 7 by 15 is converted into 14 by 30. Now these are converted into like fraction. Now we will arrange these numerators in ascending order. So numerators are 14, 18 and 27. So we will arrange 14, 18 and 27. And the denominator is 30 in every case. So as we discussed in the form of like fraction, we will arrange the numerators in ascending order. But this is not our question. Our question is this. So 14 by 30. 14 by 30 comes corresponding to 7 by 15. 18 by 30 comes corresponding to 3 by 5. And 27 by 30 comes corresponding to 9 by 10. So this is our ascending order of the given fraction. I hope this concept is clear to you. Let's